Hi there, so a quick one from me before I hand over to Jamie. This is a property that we've just got the keys for. Jamie just sent me the video now. The property reference is 6SR, so you'll be able to look up on YouTube to see this progressing through. For those of you know, you'll know, but anybody who's watching this thinking, what kind of video is this? I always point out this is our most requested video, but it's also the one where people who don't know what we do or how we do it, that we generally get a comment somewhere down there going, what on earth is this? So this is a video that we've of a property that we bought. We bought it for one of our clients, or with one of our clients, so the client owns it. And we have found we're now going to fix, and then we will rent it out. It's a service we call Handhold. So it allows a landlord who has a desire to invest in buy-to-let, let's put it that way, but is either time poor or skills poor, or just hasn't got the inclination. Maybe they live a long way away from where the best properties are. So we will find, fix and rent the property for them. This is a property that Jamie's found, and he's going to give you a walk through the kind of property. So we put these videos up every time we buy one, or almost every time. Not every time, it would be too many videos on YouTube, but often. So you can have a look to see the kind of properties we buy, and a picture speaks 1,000 words, and a video even more. So there you go. I'll hand over to Jamie, and he'll give you a walkthrough of this property, and the code is 6SR. So if you type that into the rest of our channel, you'll be able to watch progress updates throughout. Bye for now.
Property code reference 6SR in Stoke-on-Trent. This was purchased for 61,000. When the renovation is complete, it'll rent out in between 525 and 575. It was bought using our handhold service. Let's have a tour around and show you what we're going to do. We're going to have the sills painted. The chimney is going to be repointed and some of the flashing replaced. The first lounge, all the wallpaper's coming off, it's going to be re-skimmed. Fire surround's going to come out and patch the skirting in. Full decoration and carpet in here. Lounge number 2, pretty much same again, wallpaper off, fully skimmed, fire surround gone, hearth gone, patching the skirting. Into the kitchen, gonna have a brand new kitchen, extra sockets, electrics updated throughout. Go through to the bathroom, have a new bathroom suite, new tiling. Bedroom 1, wallpaper off, fully skimmed again, fully decorated throughout, new door handles going on throughout, new carpet throughout. Bedroom number 2, boiler's going to be fully serviced, same again, wallpaper off, plastered throughout. Gutter is going to be replaced due to it being blocked. General tidy up at the back. These external walls are going to get painted. Fence is going to get some TLC and painted also. If you want to get involved in something similar, just check the links in the comments.